Good morning, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the how to handle errors in the data pre-processing. The error handling. If the outlier, invalid or missing data are identified in a given data set, then how it could be handled? It could be handled in various ways. There are four ways we can handle the errors which is identified during the data pre-processing. First one is invalidity list. The invalidity list means the list, it may contains the invalid data, so that due to that invalidity, it may cause the inaccuracy in the output result. The next one is invalidity value. The attribute value, it may be the second one is invalidity value. Invalidity value means if the given attribute name has the some of the age factor. If in that particular age factor, if we given a gender, male or female, so that may cause us the invalidity value. Then next, the third one is the correction or estimation of x of I of k. Okay, some the x input value will be given. The I iterations we have to apply. Then we have to get the k value. What are the corrections which we made to estimate the given output? Okay. The next one is the outlier removal. The outlier removal already we have discussed in the previous video also here, right? The outlier means some of the unwanted or unuseful informations, the positive value, it could be changed to negative. The negative value, it may change to the positive result. Okay. So in that cases, how the data could be handled in order to attain a efficient result. These are the four types of error handling mechanism. Okay. If the list is invalid, then we have to make it as valid list. Then the value is misplaced, then we have to identify those values and we have to correct it. And we need to identify how many corrections we have to make or estimate in order to attain the output. Then the outlier removal, unwanted data, if it is added, how it could be identified and how it could be added. The next topic is filter. It is a mechanism which uses the statistical measures over the moving windows. If we are moving from one place to another place, through the window we can see, okay, from that we can see some of the things which we can measure. Okay. The process of choosing a smaller part of your data set and using that subset for viewing or analysis. For example, you can choose the filters which is used in the car. Okay. In what are the filters which you used in a car means you can use the oil filter, then the transmission filter, fuel filter, and the air filter. Air filter which is used to filter the air, then fuel it is used to filter the fuel from the fuel tank to the engine, then oil filter, okay, then the transmission filter. Okay, these are all the different types of filters which is used in the car. Likewise, in data analytics also, we are using the internal filter, external filter, transmission filters, Gaussian filters. Okay, these types of filters which is used to filter the noisy data. Basically, it will be changing the only the original data, and also it will consider only series of data, and it change all the values of series. Okay. And this is the diagrammatic representation of filters. This will be the moving statistical measures, and this one is the discrete linear filters. Okay, these are the two types of filters which is used in the data analytics. The moving statistical measure, just it will measure in terms of mean median. Okay, what will be the mean for moving object and median. Okay. Then likewise, next one is will be the discrete linear filter. This discrete linear filter, this will be used to identify the dynamic value changes. Okay, this will be having a two types: finite impulse response. It may contains the moving mean and the exponential filters, and this one it may contains the Butterworth filter. Okay, thank you.